Following is a coastal flood warning from the National Weather Service for the following county: Kent, Delaware, and Cumberland, New Jersey. What? For the coastal flood warning, 1 to 2 feet of inundation above ground level in low-lying areas near shorelines and tidal waterways. For the coastal flood advisory, up to 1 foot of inundation above ground level expected in low-lying areas near shore. Where? In Delaware, Kent, in New Jersey, Cumberland, and Cape May. When? For the coastal flood warning, until 5 p.m. this afternoon. For the coastal flood advisory, from 5 p.m. this afternoon to 5 p.m. Monday. Impacts: at this level, widespread roadway flooding occurs in coastal and bayside communities and along inland tidal waterways. Many roads become impassable. Some damage to vulnerable structures may begin to occur. Take the necessary actions to protect flood-prone property. If travel is required, do not drive around barricades or through water of unknown depth.